Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get the cheapest shipping on Pandabuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Pandabuy, click on the sign up option. And creating an account here is a very straightforward process. All you're going to do is provide your country or region that you are located, your email, and a strong password. And by clicking the sign up button, you are all set. Now, once you are here on the Pandabuy platform, you can follow some of the strategies that we know in order to get the cheapest shipping on Pandabuy. Now, before making a purchase, say for example this one, you need to compare the shipping costs and delivery times offered by different shipping carriers and methods available on Pandabuy. Now, say for example this one, this is gonna be the amount for the three Chinese dollars, right? And maybe you're gonna buy, let's say 20 of them because you're gonna be a retailer on your region or location. Now, when you add that to cart, you can also check on the estimate international shipping fee right here. If you are a fan of our channel, you can also check our different video about how to estimate shipping on Pandabuy, so you might want to check that on our channel. But in summary, when you click on estimate this one, here you can have an idea of the standard shipping options that you can have to get a cheaper cost compared to expedited or express shipping. Now, say for example, your location is from USA, and this is going to be the item category. That's going to be clothing and accessories. I believe that's a common goods, right? Now, the weight would matter because, say for example, it's just less than 2 kilos, and the length would matter as well. Now, for this video, let's make it like 20. As you can see, when you click on the inquire button here, so these are your options. As you can see, if you are not in a rush to receive your items, you need to choose a standard shipping that can help you save money, right? So these are costly if you don't want to pay this amount. Now, of course, these are for the rush or expedited delivery. But if you have the luxury of time to wait, you might want to opt for the longer shipping time, which is going to be 1 to 21 days, or they also have a 1 to 28 days right here, or from 4 to 22 days. I believe this is going to be the cheapest that you can see here. It's going to be 37 Chinese dollars. Now, when you click on it, now from here, compare again the shipping costs and delivery times. And again, I believe slower shipping methods is significantly cheaper. All right. And if this is a good option for you, you might want to click on the next button or update so that you can see more information. Now, there's also an option here wherein you can simply click on the customize shipping, because logistics providers may have the right to adjust the shipping prices, especially if you're buying in bulk. Now, click on it. And what would happen is, again, there's a pop-up window wherein this is the recommended shipping style if there are no shipping options online for your item. Say, for example, you're ordering 20 jackets at the same time, and you have special requirements for the shipping route. Now, you need to remark the specific requirements. And again, the price and timeliness on the online routes are more advantageous. It is recommended that you choose the online route first. When you click on confirm, obviously you need to click on the address, which is you need to fill that out. And again, say for example, you're going to be ordering 20 jackets, and you need to put the product info, which is the product earlier. Basically, this is it. All I'm going to do is, let's check for the product ID here. Now, for the product link right here, that's going to be the jacket. Let's say 20. All right. And then click on submit, right? Now, the next option that we know is if you are considering consolidating your orders, say for example, because we're ordering multiple items in this platform, click on this arrow on your profile icon and click on the warehouse. Now, in order for you to consolidate your orders, click on the warehouse option. And as you can see, just click on the orders right here. And then click on the rehearsal packing. This can often reduce shipping costs compared to shipping each item separately. And again, you can also keep an eye on the promotions or deals offering on free shipping on Pandabuy, because sometimes sellers may offer free shipping for orders above a certain value or during promotional periods. As you can see, these are the shipping shipping option. It's free, but it's only local. But for the international, you might wanna need to pay for it. And always, if you're a business or purchasing items in bulk, inquire about bulk shipping discounts from Pandabuy, which is located just here. Click on this option here. You can always inquire about bulk shipping discounts from Pandabuy, because most of the time they offer discounted rates for large volume shipments. I did that in the past because I was ordering like 100 of shoelaces, and what I did was I contacted the customer support agent, because one of the sales professionals will be more than glad to assist you about bulk orders and how you can get more discounts and get a cheaper options in your delivery logistics, right? And again, I believe by following these strategies, you can find the cheapest shipping options available on Pandabuy and obviously save money on your purchases. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.